Car maintenance doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. As long as you cover the basics, like oil changes, brake service, and tire care, your car should stay in good shape. And don't forget, our techs conduct multi-point inspections on your vehicle every time you come in, so if there's any other issues, they can take care of them for you. However, is car battery care on your list of maintenance to-dos? Well, it should be, and Toyota of Clermont is here to explain why and how. It's essential to keep up with your car battery care because if your battery is in bad shape, you're going nowhere fast. Without a working battery, your car is unable to start, and that's why you should stay on top of maintenance both on your own and at our Toyota Service Center. Here are some important car battery tips. Do a visual inspection of your car battery on a routine basis to quickly spot trouble. Be on the lookout for swelling, bulging, leaks, corrosion, rust, or cracks. Also take a peek at the cables and connectors to make sure they're in good shape. Clean your battery terminals. Remove the connectors first and then use a wire brush to scrub them down with a baking soda and water mixture. Make it into a paste. Rinse and be sure to replace the connectors. Another quick and easy way to clean them is to pour a can of Coca-Cola over them. Cover the battery with grease. It helps prevent rusting and corrosion over time. Just make sure you use a grease that's resistant to high temperatures, as things heat up under the hood pretty quickly. Do a voltage check. It's smart to check your car battery's voltage on a routine basis to ensure that the battery still has the charge it needs to get your car started. If you don't have the tool to do it, just ask our techs to quickly check the voltage next time you visit us for a car care. Also, when you take a look under the hood, be sure to keep your eyes open for any trouble that might be starting. Here are some signs you need to schedule auto service for your battery. Your car takes longer to start or won't start up at all. Your check engine light illuminates. You smell rotten eggs or sulfur coming from under the hood. Your battery is cracking, bulging, or swelling. You see rust or corrosion on the battery. If you see or smell any of these things, be sure to call Toyota of Clermont for a service appointment. We're open 7 days a week at 352-404-7001, just off the Florida Turnpike on State Road 50.